In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam not opening. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you need to do is select the Windows search bar down here and type in Task Manager. Open it up and then use the search bar to just type in Steam. And you're going to see all this Steam stuff on here. This is what might currently be running. If any of these appear, go ahead and actually select all of them, right? And you need to go ahead and hit End Task. To do that, hit End Task on every single one of these and they're going to close. From here, what you're going to want to do is go back down to that search bar, type in run this time, hit enter, and it's going to pop up with a thing that looks like this. I know it's a little hard to see, but you want to type in %local app data %. Hit enter, and then of course, it's going to open up a page that looks like this for you. What you need to go ahead and do in this folder is find the Steam folder. So scroll down on here, look for Steam, and let's see, where is it? Oh, it is right here. Open this up just like so by right clicking on it, and you need to delete this folder. After it deletes, try opening Steam again. If it still won't open, go back to Task Manager and end all the Steam tasks again. And then this time, what you need to do is just open up File Explorer down here. Open it up, scroll down to this PC, select this PC, and then hit Windows. It's going to then take you to a page that looks like this. Go to Program Files x86 and then find the Steam folder within here. And inside this folder, you want to select literally everything except Steam Apps and Steam.exe, which is going to be like this right here. Once that's done, just double click on Steam.exe. It's going to re-download all these missing files that you just deleted, and then it'll open up like normal again. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.